This camel just entered the factory. What comes out will shock you. Stay till the end to see the full transformation. What happens when a camel enters this high-tech factory? The secrets of turning tough skin into luxurious purses will leave you stunned, but you can't look away.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art camel processing factory. Today, we'll unveil the full journey.
Camels from arid regions provide the toughest, most durable skin. Secret to luxury durability. The process starts with ethical sourcing, ensuring every step is humane and traceable. Secret to premium leather? A multi-stage wash that preserves natural oils. After 8 careful wash cycles, the camel skin is now impurity-free and ready for tanning. Look at that natural shine. Using robotic precision for humane handling, the secret to ethical processing. Secret step: safe and humane securing, using advanced padded harnesses, ensuring zero stress. Now the camel enters the advanced separation chamber, fully automated for precision and hygiene. The chamber seals in seconds, using sensors and robotics for complete safety.
Just minutes later, the process is complete. Skin separated cleanly and hygienically.
Now the premium camel skin heads to matching, where technology ensures perfect quality.
Using robotic precision for humane and ethical handling, the secret to clean separation.
Skin separation in under 2 minutes. Advanced tech that minimizes waste and preserves quality.
First secret wash. Salting to preserve and soften the hide naturally.
Fun fact: up to 8 wash cycles, removing 99% of impurities for luxury-grade leather.
Tanning secret. Natural agents create flexible, long-lasting leather.
Fun fact: vegetable tanning takes up to 30 days. Patience creates premium luxury leather.
Drying secret. Controlled humidity prevents cracking and keeps leather supple.
Stretching increases strength by 50%. The key to durable luxury purses.
Cutting secret. Zero waste digital patterns for maximum efficiency.
Fun fact: each luxury purse uses 2 to 3 camel hides. Every cut counts for perfection.
Assembly secret. Double-stitched seams for lifetime durability.
Fun fact, hand finishing adds that exclusive luxury touch, worth thousands.
Finishing secret: natural oils for water-resistant shine.
Fun fact, final polish lasts years. Timeless luxury in every piece.
Quality secret. Over 100 checks per purse to ensure perfection.
From factory to fashion, your next luxury purse starts with this humble camel.